I want to show you how to mark out a very important zone in XAUUSD. I want to show you one streak that is going on in XAUUSD. XAUUSD using 30 minutes time frame, and the zone that this guy is always respecting. You know that XAUUSD always respects zone. How many of you know that? Either order block or fair value. That's in your demand zone. Any consolidation zone, you must respect it. Let's mark out and count. Let's start from here. Let me start somewhere here. Look very well. I mean, what is it? First zone. You get? That's first zone. Why this zone is valid? I'm going to explain it. This is the last what? Change of character. This is the last break of structure. Then after that, the thing now go up and come back. When you come back, some of you will not take a trade here. Some people will not take a trade here. But for me, I will not take a trade here. What will I do? I will wait for this zone, this particular thing high to be taken off. Immediately this high take off, I know that yes, I have what? Market structure shift, which is change of character. Then I will now mark out the zone that causes that. This is the zone. Then first zone. This is another zone. After taking out everything here, you wait to see a very important move. After taking out this zone, this is another zone. Look, I'm marking those zones, and there's other blocks sitting down here. If you look very well, let me zoom in. Sure, you see the other block. This is another zone. Count though. I'm just wanting you people to count. See another zone. This guy is always respecting zone. This is another zone. Those that trade breakout. This is another zone. But there's FVG representing in that zone before that other block. If you look very well, there's FVG there. That's fair value gap. There's fair value gap here. You see it? Then let's go again. The market do what? You respect this zone again. And do what? You respect this supply zone that turn to what? To demand. You come down. You see? Let's go again. Thing push to this side. Then you respect this zone again. Those people that trade this particular strategy, once the market go respect the zone, you enter, and it's very, very good for gold. Then the reason why this one do what? It does not respect, it change character. We have another what? Market structure shift from here. We have market structure shift, which is what? A change of character. Or you can call this place a change of character. Before a change of character can be valid, there is something that you need to understand. When the high is not taken out, which is this, there is this high. This high is still valid, which is what? Like, but this one is clearly taken out to this side, but this one was not clearly taken out. But you can call this place a what? A change of character, which is your market structure shift. Then what happened? The zone, he created this particular zone. Then what happened? Market drop down, create this change of character, other block, break of structure, sorry, create this break of structure, then come down. This one is both people that trade price action, change of all those things, price action, smart money, ICT. You see, the market respect this zone. Do what again? They come down and still respect that zone. Then you drop back again to this side. Then still respect this particular zone, this zone that is here, and then go up, and it still come back, respect the full OB. I think I win a trade somewhere here. I take a trade somewhere here, then I win it. Then what again? Let me show you another thing. Price take out this zone and dish out what? This movement. You can call this one market structural shift. Then what happened? The market returned back. It did not come back to this OB. I was expecting this market to come down here, but it did not. I was expecting this market to come down here, but it did not. Then what happened? It respects this particular other block that was sitting down here. Then I move to the upside. Then it now come back again, respect this other block and dish out this small zone. Now I'm expecting this market to take out this zone. Then I'll drop to this zone and drop to this zone. If you like this kind of breakdown, make sure you click on the subscribe button and follow for more.